Hi, everyone. I just want to share something with you that I wrote recently. And the only way to make a video for YouTube is to just, tape what I already wrote on my website, revessi.com. And a friend of mine, I called this How I Feel About the Negro Food Stamp Problem. And then I wrote, Forgive me, I'm tired of this. And a friend of mine named Lisa on Facebook, I've been knowing her for years. She said, New York thinks he is good. He is a democratic socialist. To me, tell me when has socialism worked for the people? Is Muslim countries, there are two classes, super wealthy and dirt poor, that can barely survive. No one is paying attention to what is happening in England. Oh, also Dearborn, Michigan. They were tearing down the United States flags in New York City last night. This has me so upset. Did they forget 911? Look, you, my dad, uncles, grandparents fought for that flag just for some communist to come in and disrespect it. Makes me ill. So I answered her. Here's how I answered her. Let me see if I can get this in a little closer so you guys could read with me. And I wrote, Methinks it's about over, my sister. Shake my head. Can't nobody take care of us like Jesus. I don't hate Republicans nor Democrats. That's why the elite wants us to start not a race war, but a cultural war. How are we Christians and we don't love one another because of one another's party? It's a ploy, a written circus. It's the plan of the top dog, Satan, for us to battle. I find it odd that the food stamp war began right after Donald Trump made plans to rebuild part of the White House. #planned. I also find it strange how the government shut down long enough for Walmarts and so forth to get raided by, get this, only black women. No white people are on stamps, I presume. And these so-called content creators are making jokes and memes of Shaniqua at Walmart vids. It's a racial attack to make people upset at black women. I lived it 68 years. There was a time when we were told that we were voted the ugliest women of the world. That isn't what the Bible says. Everybody ain't on food stamps. I've been a rebel canner for almost as long as my daughter has been alive. My first time was in 1987 when I was carrying her and opened the canner too soon and got burns all over my right arm. In fact, they were third-degree burns. I don't steal food stamps. Sis, God said, stand back and see the salvation of the Lord. Let's just sit back and watch and pray. We will see our Father work. Pray for our nation, Revessi. And that's exactly how I feel. I am so sick of all these Shaniqua goes to Walmart. And all black people are not the only ones with food stamps. And all you black people out there that's saying crazy stuff, please stop. You're making everybody feel horrible. It looks horrible. You look greedy. You look like beggy. Please stop. God's going to take care of you. If you were serving the Lord in the first place, you wouldn't have to worry about it. All right, so please stop. We are tired. Those who don't act ghetto, we're getting tired of you guys getting on here acting ghetto and complaining about stealing from the stores because your stamps ain't in. Everybody's worried about it. Just sit back and see the salvation of the Lord, please. And for all of you content creators out there, usually white male, please stop making everybody on food stamps look black. It's not working, and you're bringing hatred between the people. As cute as you think you are with your little, websites and all that kind of stuff and platforms, you are bringing hatred between people. You are a murderer. People are getting hurt. People are dying over this stuff. Please stop.